You are my home. You are my room. When I am sleeping, I reach for you, and you bring me home. You are my truth. Your words give me proof. Whatever you said, I'll follow it to the end of the world. You are the reason why we are here. Oh, my beloved, I love you. Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah. When I don't call your name, it's just not the same. Calling your name brings me closer to you and my King Allah. You are the reason why we are here. Oh, my beloved, I love you. Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Ya Mustafa, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah. There's not a second that goes night or day where your name is not heard on the earth. That's why we honor you each time we pray, and I thank Allah for you. Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Ya Mustafa, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Habibullah, Ya Rasulullah, Ya Ya Rasulullah, Ya